Hi, I'm Denise Shavandy and welcome to Spork U. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this super easy and delicious roasted curry cauliflower. I've posted a recipe on my site about how to make your own curry blend at home, and it'll make a big difference in how vibrant and flavorful this recipe is. So look below in the description for a link on making your own curry blend at home. Let's get started. Cut your cauliflower into florets. Why cauliflower? It's high in vitamins and minerals, low in calories, and high in fiber, all of which makes it a good low-carb alternative to our favorites like rice, pasta, and bread. Let's chop some garlic and ginger and put those in a small bowl with lemon juice, your homemade curry powder, salt, and oil. Pour over the cauliflower and toss it to coat. Spread it out on a sheet pan and roast at 450 degrees till it's browned and toasty. You can serve this as a side dish or add some rice, add some blistered tomatoes with garam masala, and enjoy it as a meal. I'll be posting a recipe on how to make your own garam masala at home, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, slap that subscribe button, and I'll see you at Spork U.